DeepSeek-R1 Perplexity AI is the ultimate duo. Perplexity AI just got a huge upgrade. With DeepSeek-R1, you now have one of the most powerful AI reasoning tools at your fingertips. Start by activating Pro Mode. Once inside the model selection, you'll find options for reasoning with R1 and reasoning with O1. Simply select reasoning with R1, and you're ready to test it out with some prompts. We can ask DeepSeek-R1 a technical or research-oriented question, such as, how does DeepSeek-R1 compare to GPT-4 in terms of reasoning and code generation? Here's the model automates research by combining Perplexity with the DeepSeek-R1 reasoning model. It starts with an in-depth analysis, as DeepSeek excels in logical reasoning, making it highly effective for understanding and breaking down complex topics, and as you see, the research results are incredibly detailed. Now let's give it a creative problem-solving challenge, which is: a new restaurant opens in town with a unique concept, absolute silence. No talking is allowed between customers or staff. However, after a few weeks, the restaurant struggles to keep customers coming back. And the challenge is, how can the restaurant improve its customer experience while maintaining its core silent dining concept? Now, you can see the reasoning model in action, showcasing its true power. Step by step, it breaks down and analyzes the process. Finally, we get the response: 3 innovative solutions to improve the silent dining experience. Truly impressive. Now, let's put reasoning R1 to the test with another research and strategic reasoning example. This time, we'll use the prompt: what are the key factors to consider when entering an emerging market with a tech product, and how can a startup strategically position itself against established competitors? As you see, reasoning R1 showcases impressive strategic analysis, breaking down each key factor of the emerging market with precision. Its response highlights concrete and actionable strategies, proving its ability to compete with top decision-making tools. Thank you for watching.